Good morning children. Welcome back to online classroom of Sri Gokulam Public School Guruvayur. Today we can start our first lesson numbers. See, the decimal system works on the basis of grouping. That means grouping of ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, etc. Now let's recall the relationship between ones, tens, hundreds, etc. Okay? 10 ones equals 110 and 10 tens equals 100. See, what will happen when we add these 10 hundreds together? When we add these 10 hundreds together, then we get 1000. Where 1000 is the smallest 4-digit number. We were already studied the smallest and the largest of 2-digit and 3-digit numbers. How many of you remember it? Which is the smallest 2-digit number or which is the largest 3-digit number? Anyone remember it? Okay. See, 10, that is 10 is the smallest 2-digit number and 99 is the largest 2-digit number. 100 is the smallest 3-digit number and 999, that is 999 is the largest 3-digit number. See children, it is very easy to remember largest number because largest number always will be the sequence of nines. For example, 99, 2 nines, 999, 3 nines. Okay, then to find the largest 4-digit number, what will be the answer? Yes, 4 nines. 9,999. But remember one thing, when a question comes to form the largest number using the digits given below, in that cases, don't write this sequence of nines. Okay, such type of questions you can answer by writing descending order of numbers. Okay, you can arrange the given digits in descending order. That we can discuss later. Okay, now I show you the smallest numbers and largest numbers. Here 10 is the smallest 2-digit number and 99 is the largest 2-digit number. 100 is the smallest 3-digit number. 999 is the largest 3-digit number. See children, what will happen when we add 1 to this largest 2-digit number? When we add 1 to this largest 2-digit number, then we get smallest 3-digit number. Like that, when we add 1 to this largest 3-digit number, then we get smallest 4-digit number. So, 1000 is the smallest 4-digit number and 9999 is the largest 4-digit number. Next topic is how to count in thousands. Okay, if there is only 1000, then the answer will be 1000. When we add 2 thousands together, then the answer will be 2000. When we add 3000 together, then the answer will be 3000. Okay, then you can add like this. When we add 10 thousands together, what happened? The answer will be 10,000. Okay, that is ones, tens, hundreds, 1000, 10,000. That is 5-digit number. Okay, that means when we add 10 thousands together, then we get the smallest 5-digit number. Okay, I will show in detail. See children, when we have only 1000, then the answer is 1000. When we add 2 thousands together, then we get 2000. When we add 3 thousands together, then we get 3000. Like that you can add 4000, 5000, etc. See, here I am adding 10 thousands together. When we add 10 thousands together, then we get 10,000. Where 10,000 is the largest 5-digit number. Clear? Here, the place value chart for 1000. Okay, children, you were already studied how to present 3-digit and 2-digit numbers in a place value system. Here I am showing how to present 4-digit number in a place value chart. See, here 0 in ones place, 0 in tens place, 0 in hundred place and 1 in thousands place. TH for 1000. That means here 1 into 1000 plus 0 into 100 plus 0 into 10 plus 0 into 1. That is 1000 plus 0 plus 0 plus 0. The final answer will be 1000. Clear? Next, I am showing a video to show how to read and write a 4-digit number. Clear? In that example, I am also showing how to write the 4-digit numbers in a place value system. Here 6, 5, 3, 4. 4 is in ones place, 3 is in tens place, 5 is in hundreds place and 6 is in thousands place. Now we have 6 thousands, 5 hundreds, 3 tens and 4 ones. That we can written as 6,534. Next, we will take 8, 9, 8, 7. 7 is in ones place, 8 is in tens place, 9 is in hundreds place and 8 is in thousands place. That means 8 thousands, 9 hundreds, 8 tens and 7 ones. That we can read as 8,987. Next example 3, 4, 7, 5. 5 is in ones place, 7 is in tens place, 4 is in hundreds place and 3 is in thousands place. Now we have 3 thousands, 4 hundreds, 7 tens and 5 ones. And we can written as 3,475. Next example 2190. 0 is in ones place, 9 is in tens place, 1 is in hundreds place and 2 is in thousands place. That means 2 thousands, 100, 9 tens and 0 ones. And we can written as 2190. Next example 5, 5, 6, 6. 6 is in ones place, 6 is in tens place, 5 is in hundred place and 5 is in thousands place. That means 5 thousands, 5 hundreds, 6 tens and 6 ones. And read as 5,566. Okay children, now I hope you all enjoyed the video and understood the topics that we discussed today. Here I am adding lesson 1 notes and textbook also. You can download it and copy it to your notebook. And also do exercise 1.1. Clear? Then see you on next session. Take care. Thank you.